This morning I got a hot tip from my friend Charles. He said there's going to be F-16s flying over the Hudson River. What? Those are F-16s. I live over here and I could just walk out to this port to go look at it over the river. Let's go! This is what the pier looks like. I am waiting here down at the pier and there's helicopters flying overhead. We're looking for the F-16s. That was awesome! Oh, they just come back. I was just about to leave and then they flew back. You can see them right over me. Whoa, that's awesome.